Aside any money through YouTube ads, super stickers, super chat, membership, and all of those things you already know YouTube actually pay with, like the way to which we actually know currently, YouTube has actually opened a new feature, guys, and they actually announced that new feature to which you can actually earn more money for yourself. And by the way, guys, this feature only affects those that are actually doing long form content. So if you are doing short, I'm sorry. You'll not be able to benefit from this. Yeah, so if you're doing long form content, come closer, come closer. Let me even take my screen record so that I can actually just read it, so it's not look like, oh, I'm just saying it off my head, you understand? So I want to say the way YouTube said it themselves. Okay, so the screen record is on. YouTube said, over the past 4 years, YouTube has paid out $100 billion. Can you imagine? $100 billion to creators, artists, and media companies. Wow. A significant force behind this thriving creator economy is the collaboration between creators and brands. Yeah, so we are almost there. You guys will understand soon. At Made on YouTube today. So if you guys don't understand Made on YouTube, YouTube actually celebrated their 20 years anniversary. Yeah. So they actually titled that activity Made on YouTube. So at Made on YouTube today, we announced new features designed to make this connection easier and more lucrative than ever. So let's just go. You can see reimagined sponsorship in long form videos. We are introducing a new, more flexible approach to brand sponsorship in long form videos. Remember I said it only affects long form videos, right? Instead of permanently burning in a sponsorship segment, creators will soon be able to dynamically insert brand segments directly into swappable slots. That means when you make your long form videos, you by yourself as a creator, it's not going to be automatic, you understand? You can just, insert it yourself. The way the feature is designed, you insert the brand you want. And there's one sweet thing about inserting it yourself. Let me just go for that. You guys will understand. This new feature enables you to remove the sponsorship when the deal is complete. So once you insert a sponsorship, you understand, maybe a brand, and then you insert it in your long form content. Then after the deal has been complete, because obviously you like before inserting, there will be the what is it called? The criteria, the things to meet up with, you understand? You can't just insert any deal. They have you can't just insert any brands. They will have terms and conditions, you understand? Maybe they want you to get like 100 viewers, you understand? Maybe so, and once that video has gotten to 100 views, you understand? Just for example, I'm just saying, let's say for this particular brand, they may say, okay, they want at least 100 views. So once you insert it and that video has gotten like 100 views, you can remove it, and swap it with another one. Do you guys actually understand? So once that deal is done and you make more money for yourself. As long as you're getting views. Each brand have different criteria. I just use that views as an example for you guys. Okay, let me continue from where I stopped. Okay. This new feature enables you to remove the sponsorship when the deal is complete. Resell the slots to another brand or eventually sell the same slot to multiple brands in different markets. You guys actually understand. So you can actually, add more brands, it can be multiple or it can be, or you can just resell it to just one person. Transforming your videos into living assets to grow your business. So like aside from all those ads, this is, oh my God. If you're not doing YouTube, what are you doing? You guys are really missed because the way YouTube is, evolving. Okay, let me continue. Transforming your videos into living assets to grow your businesses. Creators can choose the perfect moment to insert the branded segments, and we will see detailed performance insights directly on YouTube Studio, which can also be shared with the brand. We will begin testing this feature with a small group of creators early next year. So this is a feature that's actually coming out on YouTube early next year, and they've announced it. I am so excited. So this is one reason why you should get your channel monetized. Try your best to get your channel monetized before early next, so you can actually benefit. There are so many things that YouTube actually said, but I don't want to, because I see a lot of creators have actually spoken about it, and this one actually captivates my mind because this one has to do with more money. You know me, I love anything that has to do with more money. That's why I decided to single-handedly talk about this one. The whole YouTube talk about 20 new features, not just this, 20 new features. But I saw a lot of creators have spoken about the creators. If you check online, it is all over the internet, all over YouTube, all over everywhere. But this particular one, this money one, it just grabs my attention. One kind. You understand that? You know what I'm saying? Anything that have to do with money. So this is a motivation for you. For those of you that are not yet monetized, this is a motivation for you to try your best to get monetized before next year. This is September. It's almost over. See, if you don't even have anything pushing you, just be thinking of, this brand deal, because it's going to be high. It's going to be superb. Like, you guys should just imagine it. Imagine it whereby you create a long form content. Just like this particular video I'm making right now, which is a long form content. This is not short. So imagine me making this video, and then I just go ahead and insert a brand deal. You will be the one to insert it yourself. You insert the brand deal of your choice, the one you want. So once I insert it, and let's say the criteria for that brand deal is that, you need at least 50 views, at least 50 viewers should actually watch it. You understand? And do you know what they even said there? You can insert the slot. Do you want it to show at the beginning of the video? Do you want it to show at the middle of the video? Do you want it to show towards the end? Do you want it to show after 5 minutes? Do you want it to show after 2 minutes, after 3 minutes? So you can insert, just the way you insert, cards. That's how you can insert it in the middle of your video. Do you want it to be shown after like 10 seconds into your video? You want that brand deal, which is going to play off for people. Yeah. So if you have gotten, let's say they want like 50 views. After you have gotten that 50 views on your channel, you can go ahead, everything is going to be showing in your YouTube studio, the analytics. So you can also be checking from your analytics, you understand, to see how far it is doing. So once you see that, it is actually, that it has been concluded, because you have to finish a deal before taking it out. Yes, don't go and say, you just did this and you have not even completed the deal and you want to take it out. No. So once you have completed the deal, you have to take it out. So once you take it out, then you can put another ads, like another brand, you understand, sponsorship. You can bring it to your video, or you can even reach out to multiple, like they have said. You see, it's not just me that is saying it. It is YouTube that said it, and I just ready for you guys there. All right. So if you guys are in I want to bite my tongue. If you guys are interested, if you guys are excited about this particular new one, let me know in the comment section, guys, because anything that has to do with money is supposed to excite you guys, right? I know you guys are actually excited. All right, see you again in our next video. Please do not forget to hit on the like button. Do not forget to share, and do not forget to comment. By the way, guys, if I have been unable to get through to you for the past few days, I came back. Okay, I traveled, I came back, and then what up? I had light issues and whatever. Yeah, but don't worry, guys. I will definitely try my best to fix it. That's not been all rosy, but then I'll still try my best to fix it. Thanks so much for understanding. See you again in the next video. Bye, guys.